This is Project Rainer, an E.C.D Custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specifications. Rainer is painted in eggshell quantum grey with black accents all round. Rainer sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondale wheels with all-terrain tyres. This 110 features our wide body kit, a slimline front bumper and a steering guard in Cadillac blue. Inside, Rainer features a Cairn designed steering wheel with autocross gauges, 2 Corbeau heated and ventilated front and mid-row seats with 2 bench seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in honeycomb black and royal blue leather, stitched together in royal blue. Rainer is powered by our 565 horsepower LS3 Plus engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 features an array of modern conveniences such as Alpine Halo touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and USB ports throughout.